In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Clickbank account. First of all, head to clickbank.com. As you can see on the top right corner, click Start Here. After doing that, you are going to be prompted with this web page. You are required to answer all of those questions truthfully. First of all, you can see I'm new to all of this and I'm not sure where to start. For me, I already used Clickbank, so I want to promote Clickbank products as affiliates. Okay, awesome. Let's make sure you get started promoting Clickbank. Sounds good for me. Do you have experience? Yes, I do. If you don't have, please mention that. Which best describes you? I'm going to choose the first option right here. What type of products do you want to promote? I'm looking for health and fitness. Please select all that apply to you. For me, I personally have a website, or you can say an email list. I'm going to click OK. What country? You can say other. In this case, I'm gonna click OK. What's this biggest factor? As you can see, earn extra income. It will be for me. Do you currently have traffic? Yes, I do. Do you plan on generating traffic? If so, what are you going to use? It's gonna be email. How do you hear about us? From YouTube, and I'll click OK. Last question, what's your email address? Please make sure to enter the right email address in this case and don't make any mistakes, as it will be used to create your account basically. So I'm going to enter my email and I'll be right back. Here's my email. I'm gonna hit submit, and if you are having any questions, you can watch a video that they provide. You can also see that Clickbank prompts you to join Spark, which is something that they also provide. You are able also to provide it and join it from here. You will have to kind of do a payment of 23 bucks, but yeah, that's basically it. That's how to create Clickbank. You are going to receive an email in your account, and with that email, you can log in into your Clickbank account. Thanks and goodbye.